Mingalawa, I'm Zingwa. Welcome to B.Tech Business University, where innovation meets education. Are you ready to shape the future of digital business? Look no further than our Bachelor of Technology program in Information System for Digital Business. In this dynamic undergraduate program, we blend our best of business and information technology to equip you with the skills that employers are seeking in digital age. Dive deep into computer system, programming languages, and business management, forming a robust foundation that will set you apart in today's competitive job market. Our hands-on approach ensures that you don't just learn the theory, but apply it to the real-world scenario, giving you the edge you need to succeed. As you graduate, you will arm with the expertise to design and implement the digital system, revolutionizing business process and decision-making. Your career options are vast, from finance and healthcare to retail and manufacturing. Become a business analyst, IT consultant, system analyst, or project manager. The choice is yours. Our alumni have paved the way for success into the renowned company, turning their passion for business and technology into a thriving career. If you are ready to embark on a journey that fuses innovation with education, choose Bachelor of Technology Information System for Digital Business at B.Tech Business University. Your futures in digital worlds await. Apply now and be the architects of tomorrow's business landscape.